Hey students, I am Pinky Suhail, your English teacher of class 4th. Today I will teach you the second lesson from Oxford Reading Circle. So today's topic is the mountain and the squirrel. It is a poem. Ralph Waldo Emerson was an American essayist, philosopher, and lecturer, as well as a poet. Born May 25, 1803, education Harvard University, Boston Public Latin School, occupation poet and journalist, and died April 27th, 1882. Okay students, before I start reading, I want to show some pictures of different creatures or things which God had made. You can see the pictures on your screen. There are birds, insects, forests, trees, rivers, laptop, etc. Each and everything in this world has a purpose. Not single thing on this earth is useless. Okay students, I have selected few vocabulary words from poem pages 17 and 18, which I read for your better pronunciation, and I will give you the meaning of it. The words are former, later, prig, spry, disgrace, quarrel. I read it again. Former, later, prig, spry, disgrace, quarrel. Here are the meanings of the words. Former mean the thing that was mentioned first. Later mean the thing that was mentioned last. Prig mean a person who is narrow-minded. Spry mean active and lively. Disgrace mean lose of reputation. Quarrel mean exchange of hot talk. Students, today our topic is the mountain and the squirrel. Students, have you ever seen a squirrel? Let's have a closer to look at the picture, what you can see. I am giving you 10-second pause to observe the picture. Students, hope you can easily observe that in this picture there is a small squirrel and the mountain is covered with heavy green forest. Okay students, concentrate on reading carefully, because at the last you will get the home task. Okay students, let's start the reading from pages 17 and 18. The mountain and the squirrel had a quarrel, And the former called the latter little prig. Bun replied, "You are doubtless very big, but all sorts of things and weather must be taken in together to make up a year and a sphere, and I think it no disgrace to occupy my place. If I am not so large as you are not so small as I, and not half so spry. I will not deny you make a very pretty squirrel track. Talents differ, all is well and wisely put. If I cannot carry forest on my back, neither can you crack a nut." In the poem, the poet Ralph Waldo Emerson talks about the difference between the two characters, the mountain and the squirrel. Let's see what this poem means. Let's see the difference between each other jobs. In the poem, the mountain and the little squirrel compare their jobs with each other. The mountain feels I am bigger and stronger than squirrel, and squirrel feels I am more active than mountain. The poet uses the nickname Bun for the squirrel. The squirrel says he does not think it is a disgrace I am small. Squirrel also says that the mountain, everything in this world is not of the same size. While some things are meant to be large, others are meant to be small, and everyone does what they are meant to do. For example, the mountain is very large and cannot be active like the squirrel. Squirrel also says to the mountain, "You carry forest on your back, but I cannot. But I can crack a nut, but you cannot." Students, look at on your screen. There is central idea of the poem. All things have been created equally, and no one is superior or inferior, because everyone has different abilities and talent, and they do things accordingly. Everyone is important in this universe. Students, it's time to get your home task, and you can see your home task on your screen. There are 4 questions. Question number 1 is, who speaks first in the poem The Mountain and the Squirrel? Question number 2, list 2 things the squirrel admits he can't do or be but the mountain can. Question number 3, write the rhyming words for the following. Number 1 is track, number 2 bun, number 3 nut, number 4 small, number 5 pretty. Question number 4, make sentences of the following words. Number 1, wise. Number 2, mountain. Number 3, weather. Number 4, large. Number 5, forest. Student, note this. Do all the homework given to you from the first lesson till the present one in your copy. Marks will be given to you on the basis of your homework and activities. Okay student, bye bye, stay home, stay safe.